Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Super Bowl tutorial. Go Bengals. I'm using the Morphe 3503 and starting with this kind of light orange shade, and I didn't want to cut out any of my blending, so I made sure to just speed it up for you guys so you could see all of it. But I'm just running this in the crease with a big fluffy brush, and I'm really just going for it here. I'm not being too precise with my placement, but I am dragging it out kind of on the ends to give it more of a cat eye shape because Bengals are tigers, obviously, so gotta make sure we got that cat eye shape going on. But I'm just blending that shade in the crease until it looks like this. And then I'm taking a creamier shade, a little bit lighter, and just kind of buffing out the edges of that to make it nice and smooth. Then I'm picking up a brighter orange from this palette, and I'm just patting it on with a flatter, smaller brush, and again, just dragging it out just a hair on the ends, but I'm keeping this one a little bit lower, a little bit tighter, making sure that I am fluffing it into the other color just a little bit to get that nice little blended look. And I'm still doing it. I am still dragging it out just a little bit on the ends there, making sure everything is nice and seamless. Checking for symmetry too, you gotta make sure you check. Now this one's a shimmery orange, so I'm picking that up just on my finger. The finger I feel like is the best way to apply shimmers. It gets the best payoff. So I'm putting that on my lid and then just taking that brighter orange, running it underneath with that same brush. Listen, don't waste brushes. Use the same one that you used before, because here's the thing, that's more you gotta clean. And I am picking up another orange, that same like premier shade, and just blending out the bottom there. So we make such cute faces when we blend the bottom of our eye. Now this one's a pressed glitter, excuse me. You want to make sure that you are pressing this on with your finger. If you're using a pressed glitter, really you can use any glitter. This is just the one that I had in front of me, so that's what I used, and it was kind of orangey, so I just went with it. And then any glitter fallout, I just kind of grab a brush with some translucent powder on it and I wipe it away. Now this is just a light shimmery shade, and I really like to put this in my inner quarter pretty much with any look I do, and on the brow bone just to make it nice and bright. Now we're lining the upper lid and we're gonna wing it out just a little bit. Like I said, we want that nice cat eye shape. Listen, we're rooting for a tiger themed team here, so you want to make sure that you got nice little cat eye going on. So I'm winging it out on both sides, pulling it back in, and nice sharp wing. We're cleaning it up with some concealer to make sure that it is nice and sharp and there are no mistakes. Blending it out with a fluffy brush underneath so we can't see the concealer line. Adding a little bit of mascara just for some va boom. And then I'm placing the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, just a little white liner in the waterline. And as you can see too, I pulled out that inner corner just a little bit with the liner. Popping on a pair of lashes. This is optional, of course. You don't have to put on lashes, but if you feel comfortable and you want to, look at the difference it makes. It is so much better with the lash, in my opinion. But I'm just a lash girl, so placing on the lashes, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy the Super Bowl, and I hope you enjoyed this look. Tag me on Instagram if you recreate the look at all, and go Bengals.